Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the GTA filter trend videos on TikTok. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So if you've been scrolling through TikTok and you've been seeing all these videos where the users turn themselves into a GTA character, and you're wondering how to do it, then keep watching as I'll show you how to create these kind of videos. So to create this video trend on TikTok, you need TikTok, you need CapCut, and you'll need an app from the App Store called AI Mirror, Magic Photo Editor. So go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and go ahead and download it. Once that is downloaded, go ahead and open the app. Now once the app loads up, you want to find this logo here or this photo here, the Theft Gangsta. Go ahead and tap on that. Now the app will ask you to subscribe, so go ahead and try the free trial, which will allow you to have 3 days free trial. So go ahead and tap on continue. Once you've subscribed to the free trial, go ahead and tap on this photo here, which is the Theft Gangsta filter. As you can see, it'll turn your normal photo into a GT character. So go ahead and select a photo from your phone library. Now make sure to choose 9:16. Now at the bottom here, you can change the figure. So right now it's set to 50%. You can make it less or you can make it high. So for now, I'll just choose 50% and then tap on draw. Now give it some time and it'll process the image into a GTA character. And there you go. So that's your original image and that's how you would look in the GTA game. You've got other choices which you can select from and browse through that and choose the one that you like. Now, if you don't like this, you can go ahead and tap on change photo to select another photo. Now, once you've created your GTA character, you want to go ahead and select a photo which you like. Then tap on save at the bottom right. Go ahead and tap on save again at the bottom left. And there you go. You have successfully saved that GTA character photo on your phone. Now, next, you want to go ahead and open up TikTok. Here, you want to go ahead and search for the GTA filter. Now in the search results, you're looking for those videos that are doing the trend. So for example, this one here. So once the video loads up, on that video, you're looking for CapCut Try This Template, which you'll see above the username. So if you see it, go ahead and tap on that. This will load the template. Go ahead and tap on Use Template in CapCut. This will open up CapCut. Now go ahead and tap on Use Template. Now from here, you want to go ahead and select photo. And now first, you want to go ahead and select the photo which you've created. Next, you want to choose the original photo, then tap on preview. Now as you can see, it'll create the GTA filter trend video for you. So transform your original picture into a GTA character. Now once you're happy with that, go ahead and tap on export here at the top right. Then tap on save and share to TikTok. This will automatically export the video over to TikTok. Now, since this is a template, it has added the trending sound to it. You can go ahead and add your effects, text, and stickers, and then post this video to TikTok. So there you go. That is how to create the GTA filter trend video on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.